Morning children, welcome to the second day of session 11. Yesterday also I did word problems with you on subtraction. Today also we will be continuing with the subtraction word problems. See the first sum, Radha wrote 70 spelling. Out of them 12 were wrong. How many spelling were correct? So if you subtract 12 from 70, you get number of correct spelling. So what do you write as statement? I suggest you that you practice writing the statement from now on. So what is there? Total number of spelling written equals to how many? 70. Number of wrong spelling equals to 12. So you need to do what? Subtract. So in the bracket you write down the minus sign correctly, subtraction sign correctly. And please don't forget to write down this place value, tens, ones or HTO, whenever and whatever will be needed, you will write down the place value correctly. So here it is 0. We cannot subtract 2 from 0. So what we need to do? We borrow 1 from the tens place. So we borrow 1, it is 6. And here we will write down 1. So I have borrowed 1 from the tens place. So now 10 minus 2, you can do the subtraction. 10 is greater than 2, so you can subtract 2 from 10. So you subtract, count first, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many? 8. Now 6 minus 1 equals to 5. So your answer is 58 spelling were correct. So how many spelling were correct? 58 spelling were correct. I'm reading out the sum once again. Radha wrote 70 spelling. Out of them 12 were wrong. How many spelling were correct? So you need to subtract in this sum. So write down the statement as total number of spelling written equals to 70. Please don't forget to write down the place value on top. Number of wrong spelling equals to 12. So what do you need to do? Subtraction. So you put this minus sign in the bracket and after that you draw a line and therefore you write down therefore. Next you write down therefore. This is the therefore sign. Therefore number of correct spelling equals to 58. So you write down your answer. 58 spelling were correct. We will do another sum. Anita has 55 toffees. She gave 18 toffees to her friend. How many toffees were left with her? So, left with her, left means subtraction, you know. So, number of toffees Anita has. Write down on top the place value, tens, ones. So, how many toffees Anita has? 55. We write down 55. Number of toffees she gave. She gave to her friend. If you cannot write down the statement in one line, you please split it in two lines. You can write down it in two lines the way I have written. Number of toffees she gave to her friend equals to how many? 80. What do you need to do here? Subtraction. You put subtractions. So answer what we will write down. Therefore, number of toffees left. How many? You do the subtraction. Now here it is given 5. In ones place it is given 5. So what do you need to do? You need to subtract 8 from 5. Can you subtract 8 from 5? No. So what do you need to do? You need to borrow 1 from the tens place. So we borrow 1 and write down 4 here, and here we write down 15. So 15 minus 8 equals to how much? 7. 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So your answer will be 37 toffees were left with him. Left with her. Alright children. So the sum is Anita has 55 toffees. She gave 18 toffees to her friend. How many toffees were left with her? So we write down the statement as number of toffees Anita has equals to 55. Please write down the place value as tens, ones or HTO as needed. Number of toffees she gave to her friend. I couldn't write down it in one line, so I split it in two lines. Alright, if you cannot write down the statement in one line, you can go to the next line and also write. So number of toffees she gave to her friend equals to 18. What will it be? It will be subtraction. So put minus sign in the bracket. Next line you write down, therefore number of toffees left equals to, what do? You do the subtraction as you have done in the borrowing sums. So it comes to be 37. So you write down your answer, 37 toffees were left with her. Alright, I hope you have followed, all of you. So you practice this kind of sums. Okay children, thank you.